Hi friends, this is Josie, and I wanted to give you a little tour of the front room. Now, one side of it is still things that I'm selling, so I won't show you that, but I will show you over here. So it's boxes and things like that and bins, but I did move some things around. This is the back of things that I have to still move, this over here, but, and there went Z. But here's my fairies, and this is a bin that has like crocheted items that I'm still working on. My lamp, and here's my little secret place that I have to keep hidden from the cats. So it has this little shelf and these stuffed animals on it and things like that, because they get in this chair and they've torn it up, as you can see on both sides. So anyway, this is a dog bed, and it's actually for the piggies too. But I put the cat's bed on it because she likes to sleep on there. So there's that. Okay. And then this is my day bed. There's my writing things, and here's Abbott, my big bear. And then my two trunks. The bottom trunk I painted years ago. I've had this trunk since I was like 13 or 14 years old. I used to sit in that trunk. Ironically enough. I could actually get in that trunk years ago. Over here and the top trunk was just, I repainted it. It was, it has crocheted items in it too. Yeah, I do a lot of needlework. Then this old trunk is filled with my mom's things, like her, just miscellaneous things, her squaw dresses that her mom made. I know they don't call them that anymore. I mean, they, whatever. They called them that then, way back in the 40s or 50s, whatever. They're actually very beautiful dresses. My uncle's cornet. I used to play his cornet and my dad's trumpet. And then these are filled with doll items. And then I don't know what's in the top one. I did redo that one. And then of course, my Marilyn and my James Dean doll, and then my piano and stuff like that. One of my sons painted that, made that painting. That was one of his first paintings in high school. And this was my aunt's piano. And yeah, it is a little dusty. I dusted yesterday, but I have to take some oil on top of that and oil it down. And then my mom's guitar and one of my son's guitars, and then just some miscellaneous ukes over there. And a bunch of my needlework that I'm working on too. Again, I have some baby Afghans that I have to donate. All right, then over here, I'm not going to show you this side because it's just a monstrous mess. This is the back part of that. Here's where you walk in. I was trying to keep the cats out of the window because they have a fetish for the window. My son painted this because he had a set of these and then an armoire. The armoire is out in my studio. And then I finally got TT's picture up. It's so adorable. I loved it. It came from the UK, from Annie's Portraits. She did such a magnificent job. I love it. So hers is at the top anyway. And then there's Piggy, little Piggy when she was a baby, and then Scoob and Shag. The Scoob and Shag and Piggies were done by another artist, Piggy Doodle. She's fabulous too. And then Jack Bear made this for me. This is my lectern, and so I'm going to start using that again because I have a speaker and a mic. And then here's my old desk that he also bought me. I love it. It's a school desk. So I'm going to take it out one of these days. I'm going to empty it. It has my secret stash of littles inside there, like when I was a kid and I had a desk like that. I could actually sit in that. I love it. And I'm going to take it outside. I'm going to paint the bottom of it and then re-stain the top of it, I think, because I want to keep the natural wood, but I definitely want to refurbish the top of it. And it has the walking bridge, the doll's walking bridge. This is going to go away, and this is going to go away too, the bed. So eventually, and then this is just miscellaneous stuff that's going to go away eventually too, but I had to have a place to put it. So anyway, and this, that I have to take that down to the cemetery for my mom. And then these are just miscellaneous pictures, and there's a picture of Jesus back there, of course. He's fabulous. And, then there's, of course, Hi and Gal there with, Ed, that's not Ed, that's Shiloh. And then these are just some books that I have to go through in bins. And there's, I think this is all about pigs, but Piggy's picture's on the front of it. And there's an old drawing of a pig that in a poem that I made years and years ago for a friend. And here's the front view. And then here's it's my Anne of Green Gables doll, my one of a kind. She's my twin. She needs new eyes because their eyes get really bad. So I have to all three of my four of them, I think, have bad eyes. 1, 2, 3. I have 5 of my twin 18-inch sizes, and they all need new eyes. So I need to redo their eyes, and I'm really concerned about doing hers because she's a one-of-a-kind doll. So I have to be very careful when I do hers. So this is their setup here with the tea table and everything. So that's it, and I'm gonna make this into a purse. And hinge the top, because it has a top, as you can see, to the bottom. I'm just keeping it in a wrapper because, and there's my felting stuff in there. All this is my felting equipment inside this basket. So, okay, that's it. Hope you like this little tiny tour. I put these nice sumptuous rugs down. My friend gave me the beige rug. And then I had this old rug on top of it because Z likes to come in here and throw up all the time. I don't know what her fascination is, but she does. So, all right, thanks so much. This was really fun to put together again. I took down all the curtains and washed them a couple of weeks ago and put them back up again. And I just had to dust everything yesterday and vacuum everything in here and sweep it. And I cleaned all the bedding and all kinds of stuff. So anyway, all right, take care. Bye-bye. I'll leave you with the fairies and Cubby.